cartogratori, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ren, I'm a professional cartographer and illustrator. If you are new here, welcome. This channel is all about fantasy maps, battle maps, drawing, tabletop games. So if you're interested in the topic, make sure to leave a follow. I got some news. First of all, I'm late. No, that's no news. I'm kidding. When I started this channel, I wanted to create a sort of library of my content. But since this channel is not only about drawings, it's about my passion for RPG games. Starting from this video, I'd love to share the lore behind the drawings, what kind of description I had in mind when I started, and I hope you will like it. Just let me know in the comments. Before we start, I made a strong announcement saying I have some news. Look at this! I've been participating in designing a couple of board games, and this is one of those cute monster. I have no word to explain how much I love this project, so a shout out to Dor Sakal, and I will link the project in the description box if you're interested. Bad news for the English audience, since I got an unboxing video and a how to play video about the cube monster, but they will be in Italian since there is no Italian content about it, and my way to support this game is talking about it in my language so more people will know about it, and it's amazing. It's amazing.
Let's go!
When I first came up with the idea for the Celestial Gate Arena, I wanted to create something that would feel completely unique. The idea was to design a location not just for battles, but for an entire celebration. An event where competition was fierce, but there was also a sense of joy and excitement. And this was the story behind. In the game, the players receive an invitation. It's not just a typical tournament call. They've been chosen to compete in a prestigious event, one that will bring honor to their city and possibly earn the respect of the masses and powerful leaders. What they don't know is that they agreed to fight in a legendary arena that has been around for centuries. And so the day arrives, and the players are shocked. Instead of being led to a familiar arena in the city, they found themselves at the Imperial Palace. There is a large crowd gathered made up of all sorts of creatures and people from distant lands. It's clear that something huge is about to happen. After registering for the event, they are escorted to a high tower, where they board a magical teleportation device that will transport them to their final destination. When they finally arrive, they are left speechless. The Celestial Gate Arena before them is nothing like they've imagined. It's not just a colossal coliseum, it's a breathtaking sight. Golden columns rise into the sky, gleaming in the sunlight, and the whole arena sparkles with a magical energy. It's not just a building, it feels alive, shimmering with colors that make it look like something out of a dream. Floating in the clouds, high above the earth, the whole building is floating above the sky. Once they land in the center, they are greeted by the loud cheers of the crowd. But they quickly realize that the players aren't the only ones here. Warriors from all planes have gathered to compete. The arena is filled with competitors, each one eager to prove their worth. The atmosphere is thick with tension, and the sense of competition is overwhelming. The event is more than just a tournament. It's a fight for glory. A quick ceremony takes place, with the audience cheering as the teams are announced and the rules for the tournament are set. The players are assigned to their teams, and then they are led to separate dressing rooms to prepare for the trials ahead. As they walk through the arena, the energy is palpable. The crowd excitement fills the air. But there is no time for celebration. Only the sound of footsteps and the distant cheers of the audience as the players are led to the rooms where they'll prepare for battle. In the dressing room, the pressure builds. The players are here to win, and they quickly realize that there is no room for making friends. The competition is fierce, and the tension in the air is almost suffocating. The arena may be opulent, but but inside the walls of the dressing rooms, there is no time for anything other than focus and determination. Each empire is determined to be the one to claim victory, and only 3 banners will rise at the end of the tournament. In fact, as they prepare for the games, they look up and see flags from different empires displayed throughout the arena. These flags represent past victors, empires that have earned their place in the arena's history. The players now stand the center of that legacy, ready to make their own mark. Soon, as the sun sets and the night takes over, the arena comes alive with light. The ground below begins to glow, with intricate magical runes casting a soft light over the arena. The sky above fills with stars, and the air crackles with magic. There is no hiding now. The games are about to begin. The players know that only the strongest will survive, and only 3 teams will walk away with the prize. The crowd is on the edge of their seat, waiting for the battles to unfold. It's time for the champions to prove themselves. That's right, the games are about to begin.
What do you think about this map? Let me know in the comment, and also let me know if you enjoy this kind of content. And yes, this map is available on Patreon and other shops. You can find a link in the description box. If you like, will you let me finish this video? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, to leave a follow, like or a comment. It is free and will help me to grow this channel. Thank you for staying with me till the end. See you next time. Ciao cartogratori!